Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute, a little minute. About 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, maybe even a month, I don't know. But I'm back. You see my hair is nice and stretched. I'm coming back with another video. If you've seen the title, I am going to be doing knotless jumbo braids on my hair with curls on the ends because I'm tired of my hair, and that's why I haven't been posting, because I've been tired of doing hair. The last hairstyle I did was Anaya's. If you want to check that out, that's the butterfly locks. You can check that out at the end of this video. But yeah, we're going to get into it. This is my first time doing knotless braids, like it was my first time doing the butterfly locks. So y'all spare a girl, okay? Because I see some of y'all didn't even like the butterfly locks. But that's okay, because I'm going to do it anyway. And as you know, with practice, these styles get better. So we be learning together. Shoot, half of the time it's my first time doing half of these styles. So stay tuned. Using this pre-stretched hair. It's pre-clean. It's non-flammable. It is your girl's best friend for braiding. Next is Jam. I use this for the length of my braids to keep the flyaways at bay, and the style booster for my edges. So I'm going to start off with parting my hair down the middle, like here. Oh. Come on. Brianna be stealing my stuff, so she's coming in. She's gonna help me with the back. So what I'm gonna do is, obviously it's knotless braids. We're not gonna use these rubber bands to do the braids, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part all my hair first, and as I part it, I'm gonna put it in rubber bands so that it's already parted, so it's easier for me to stop my hair. Brianna's gonna help me in the back, but I'm gonna do it as I go. I'm trying to open up this edge control. Ooh. I have not been in the mood to do my hair. So this is my first time using this Style Factor. It's pineapple. It smells like pineapples. So this is the Style Factor. Seems so, no, it doesn't feel like edgy. It doesn't feel real edgy. So I'm gonna start control a little bit more tackier than this, but we'll see how this goes. I've never used their products before. As I get the swing of things, I'll take the comb and begin combing through that. Ooh, this comb. There we go. Okay. All right. So we're gonna begin braiding it. First, I'm beginning with braiding my actual hair. No added hair was added yet. I'm braiding it nice and tightly and making sure that it's staying intact. I add one strand of hair. I add it over the top of my hair to the two other strands on the outer part of the braid, and then I begin braiding again. That's how I feed in my braids. You can either add it on the top of the braid or underneath. I braid underneath, and I find it very easy that you can grab and catch the hair over the top if your next step is going under. I think if you braid the opposite, going over, it'll be easier for you to do under. But either way, my hands just allow me to do it, so I just do it that way. It just depends. Try both ways and see what works best for you. Control or some type of jam to keep that hair slick as you braid it, because you want it to be nice and slick and not frizzy or flyaways or anything like that. I'm all up in your camera, especially if you're watching me on a big TV screen. That'll be kind of awkward. So yeah, I'm braiding these. I like the size, and I'm going to curl the ends once I'm finished with my whole head. But that's basically it. I like to add the hair on the top. Some people do the bottom. I could do the bottom too, but my hands kind of like always like to add the hair to the top. So that's what my hands do, so I let it do what it do or whatever. But yeah, My hair needs to be put away because I'm tired of it. So we're gonna try these knotless braids, the jumbo ones first. This is just me just making sure I know how to do it. I do already know how to do feed in braids, so I didn't think knotless braids was gonna be like crazy hard for me. I'm gonna stop braiding it like right here because I'm gonna curl the ends and it's gonna, you know, curl a little. So all right, I did this side and now we are completing this side, and I just added the 2 strands and I'm just basically braiding it down. I'm gonna make them a little long, and it's good to add the jam to this part. You see the flyaways? It's good to add that so that this way it's nice and slick and you don't have too much flyaways. And then the braids will look slickety slick, slick, slick. But the knotless braids, you basically put your edge control here like we did in the beginning. You start braiding it with your own hair and you start feeding in. Yep, I have not created any hair videos in a minute. I actually am trying to learn how to balance my regular content and my sponsored content because it was getting a little bit out of hand the last 2 months, October and the beginning of November. I had some content that had to be done, but I just basically want to give you stuff that I think you guys would like. And to be honest with you, it's not always going to be hair. I like fashion, I like styling myself, I like vlogging, basically showing you how I get things done as a mom and a content creator, entrepreneur. Oh, and there's some updates. You know what? I'm gonna have to do like a catch up on my life type thing, because I know I've spoke to you guys about a lot of things like my anxiety, work, and all that other stuff. And some huge updates in those aspects and topics of my life. And that could have been another reason why I was like severely unmotivated with making content, other than the content that I had to do because of deadlines. So I'm back on the road, and I may be doing some product reviews soon because I've seen that there's some new products coming out soon. So I may do some product reviews. But yeah, I'm braiding these kind of long. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do to the end. Okay, so we're gonna use these orange perm rods for the ends of these hair. I could have also like bought another hair that was like curly at the end and just add those to the end, but I didn't. So we're gonna just curl these like old school, and we're gonna take the perm rod set and curl it like this. Hey guys, I am back. My hair is still in these perm rods. I slept overnight, and I'm about to take these out so you guys can see how it came out. Ooh, look at them curls. Let me get a close-up of the curls. Come on. Okay, curls, we see you. So we just take all these rods out, and they're all like curling that bomb. So you don't need to buy extra. You don't need to buy the curly hair unless you want to add it in. It may be one less step, but you can still get the curly ends and fleek your hair with these perm rods. You just make sure you set it in some hot boiling water. So you see there? Y'all y'all see that? So that's just a tip from Tiff. Tip from Tiff. Got my autumn color popping on my lips. I usually do like nude colors. Ooh, that looks so pretty and springy. But it's fall, so I said, let me go darker. I'm gonna do a photo shoot for Instagram picture. And if you're not following me on Instagram, what is you doing? Go and follow your girl. I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas. I'm not even consistent enough right now on YouTube, but that's gonna help me try and get consistent for the new year. And because Vlogmas is just me vlogging my life, not that much editing involved, I think I could do it. I don't know if it's gonna bore you guys. That's a different story, but I'm gonna try. So let me show y'all the end results. I'm so excited. It came out just like, you know when you're happy when your hair comes out the way you envision and you didn't take the steps, like every necessary step that you thought you should? But can we say Pocahontas? Just around the river bend, just around the river bend, I look once more, just around the river bend. I should have been Princess Jasmine for Halloween. But these are the ends, and this is the look. So, so if you like what you see here today, you make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel if you like what you see here today. But I'm excited, so excited. I'm gonna wear my hair like this for about a week or two and give my hair a break because I am tired of doing hair. I will be back with another video this week because I don't know when I'm posting this video, but with Anaya's hair, and we're gonna do a cute little updo. So if you like what you see here, make sure you subscribe, share with a friend, join me on Instagram, Twitter, and on Pinterest, because your girl be on every platform. And I got a website, www.tiffwithalltrades.com. You'll get more family and lifestyle there. So thank you all for watching.